Hello everyone, welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a flip cup technique using 3 cups of paint, so a triple flip cup technique. And I've done a couple of these on my channel, so I have a few videos on a triple flip cup technique. And in today's video, I'm going to use a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm just going to use my normal paint pour recipe. And I have many videos on my mixing my paint and my paint pour recipe, which I will link down below. But my paint is mixed with just US Floetrol, tad bit of water. And I am using today lamp black, crimson, gold, and titanium white that are all the cheap brand paint. And I will also link my video down below that is the brands of paint that I use. And then I'm also, this lighter brown is light taupe, and that is from Craft Smart. And so the only color that has silicone in it is the crimson, and I have put 1 drop of silicone oil in that. So I use treadmill oil, and the crimson just has 1 drop of silicone oil. So this whole painting only has 1 drop. I have learned over the years of paint pouring that less is more with your silicone oil. You really don't need much at all, especially if you get a good quality 100% silicone oil. Less is more. You'll actually get more cells if that's what you're going for, and that's why you would use the silicone, is for cells. And so you'll actually get more cells and more uniform cells if you use less silicone. All right, so what you're going to want to do is fill your cups about 3/4 of the way full, and these are 7-ounce cups. And if you fill them all the way to the top, it's kind of hard, and I have overfilled mine a little bit. So as you can see, when I flipped them, a little bit of paint escaped, but that is really just no big deal. And so I'm flipping each of the cups, and notice I'm not just pulling them straight. I'm kind of flipping and dragging just a tiny bit. And I do this because if you pull them straight up, you're going to get drips down in your design. And sometimes you're going for that look, but I was not wanting the drips down in the design in this look. So if you notice that we're getting some real nice, beautiful cells there in the middle, and I've just set those cups there on the edge to get that last little bit of paint. But now I'll remove those. And I did give it a little bit of a torch, just with a creme brulee or a chef's torch. And you don't actually touch the surface of the paint. You want to be about 6 inches above. And you're mainly popping any bubbles that may have occurred. And also it does help for the cells to pop up there. So, all right, you're just going to tilt it from side to side. Make sure you get all the edges, and to make sure you get those corners. And you just tilt it side to side until you get all the surface covered. And then that's about it. So thank you so much for joining me, and you have a great day.